perceived role of women in the fishing industry is wives supporting their husbands when they come home, or paperwork. And our actual roles as women, we're lorry drivers, we're exporters, we're processors, we're fishmongers, we're mechanics, we're boat owners, we're skippers. You know, we can do whatever we like, and if we're here to support each other, that becomes even more apparent, I think. An awful lot of jobs in the fishing industry are perceived to be male jobs, but anything a male can do, a woman can do also.
To have a group such as Women in Welsh Fisheries is really an important step forward in actually ensuring that the women that are in the industry are supported, but also as an opportunity to encourage more women to get involved in the industry, to actually be aware of what's there in the industry as well, that they can get involved in.
You know, we're here to support each other, and it's good to have other women with similar experiences to sound off and just share with. I decided to become part of the group because when I started, I was lorry driving and it was really lonely. There weren't facilities, there wasn't anybody else like me driving across the continent with shellfish, and to have somebody to chat to would have been really nice, a bit comforting on occasion, somebody who understands.
So the group is for any of the women that are involved or wanting to become involved in the fishing industry. It's really also to promote the industry and actually show other people and women in particular what is there in the industry, but also an opportunity for women that are in the industry to get together, talk about any issues that they've got, talk about any successes that they've had, in order to support and promote each other as well as the industry going forward.
I would encourage other women to join the group, just because we can provide that supportive role. Working together for our industry, for our community, I think it's really, really important.
There is a vast opportunity for women, but their voice is not heard, and I think this is what makes Women in Fisheries Forum so important. It appears to be male dominated, and I don't believe that it is. But the other side of it is as a support group. You know, the women in fisheries are the ones that are left behind if there's a tragedy at sea. And I think that if there's a group there, they feel that they can come to for support, just for a chat or a cup of tea, just to let off steam perhaps is important as well.
Initially when I started, my children were tiny and they would be in a fish box in the back of the van while I was doing fisherman's tickets. And the role evolved then, and then as they grew up, I learned to drive the lorries and run the company. And it's been quite difficult through the stages because it's very much a male-dominated world. It can be a lonely place for a woman. So this is what we're here for, is just to give that support, really.
We've needed a group like this for a long time. It's a relaxed group, there's nothing for anybody to fear. And I think that it's about women supporting each other, bringing women together and having a voice. I'm hoping that it will grow from here. It's in its infancy at the moment. I'm one of the oldest people around, I'm afraid. So it would be nice to see young women getting involved as well.